Hi guys, it's Cupcake here with
Milkman.
Milkman and Banana. And today we're going to be doing
Minecraft. No.
Well, yeah, we're going to be doing Minecraft.
Not going to be Lifeboat.
We're not going to go onto Lifeboat though.
Because it sucks.
It's glitching.
It's glitching in
glitchy.
it.
Oh, this one's glitching too. Oh, no, it's not. No more. Not no more.
Don't ask me what I'm building.
What are you building?
You like my boat?
Don't ask me.
Maybe if you didn't tell me not to, I wouldn't ask you.
Like my boat?
Shouldn't ask me in the first place.
Whoa, what are you building?
I told you not to ask me.
Callie, you like my boat?
Sorry. Yeah, let me look. Yeah, it's cool. I already saw it before. It's awesome.
What about?
Guys, you guys are going to need a comment on how you like Milkman's boat. I think it's pretty awesome.
It's a speedboat, by the way.
Speedboat, yes. Here's the back of it.
This is the cooler or the engine. I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm a cow.
We should do a building contest on boats.
I'm going to
No,
win.
we're bad at them.
I'm good at them, so I'm going to win.
Go! What? No. Let's do me and Carmelo. We are going to do a contest on airplanes.
No. I
Yes.
suck. No, I suck.
I suck too. I've never made one before.
Fine. Ready?
So, just wait 1 second.
Fine, you can
One
get on
second,
this
1
stuff.
second.
Okay, I got it on there, so.
1 second. This is how it's gonna go.
No, helicopter.
Aeroplane or helicopter, go.
We're gonna do. We have 30 seconds to get our materials. Karina, start counting. Banana, start counting.
Okay.
30 seconds.
Done. Can you start building?
Just wait.
You have 10 seconds. Okay, 20. 15.
And when you're done, like when you're still building it, you're able to go back and get some more if you didn't have everything. So, oh shoot, I forgot one thing.
Okay.
You still have time.
There.
Go!
Go!
Okay, here we go. I'm gonna start.
I'm doing mine in the air.
I'm not. You guys are gonna have to tell us who's gonna win.
How do you know?
Carmelo.
No offense. And it's Milkman?
Milkman. Yes. Oh no! Phew, I didn't mean to grab anything.
What does this look like when you guys are done? Okay, I'm gonna build a house, guys.
Okay.
One
My
more.
screen, it's not as fun. They
You're
have the
looking at
timer
Natalie's.
going for them. They get
No offense, Joey.
You're
It's
looking-
not that good right now.
5 minutes.
I know.
And I'm just building.
No. I'm like gonna make like the big one.
No one's looking at my screen.
Oh, are you?
Because
Oh, now?
Cupcake is the one who...
Yeah, we'll look at hers when we're done.
First,
We'll look at bananas when we're done.
my house?
Yeah, the thing where you. Yeah.
Oh, I was building this. That was just something.
My. All about that boom boom boom.
Me too, guys. I'm a terrible builder.
I'm making a helicopter. You can make a helicopter airplane. All about that boom boom boom.
How long do you think you guys should get?
A lot of time.
Yeah, that's how bad you are.
What?
10 minutes.
What? No.
You only have 1 minute. Oh, no, 2 minutes actually.
Still. No.
We only get a minute?
10.
15.
Oh, we suck.
Yeah.
Well, actually, I'm not.
After they
I
finish
don't.
building my house in 10 minutes.
Okay.
Guys, prepare.
For reading this.
Yes.
I read her mind.
She actually does.
This looks terrible.
Natalie, I bet you're thinking about cupcakes. No.
Her name
Kind
is
of.
Cupcake.
But Natalie, are you
Call
thinking
her-
about
Call
cupcakes?
her Cupcake. Stop calling her Natalie.
Fine. I mean, cupcake. Are you thinking about cupcakes?
What else would I be thinking about?
Corn
I'm thinking
rice?
about bananas.
Hmm.
I have a poem for you guys. You ready?
Yeah.
Go for
Well,
it.
it's actually a story, okay?
Okay.
So it's not the spelling bee thing, okay? Yeah,
Mhm.
spelling bee. And they told me my word was banana. So I said banana, and I started spelling. I was like B-A-N-A-N-A-N-A-N-A-N-A-N-A-N-A, and I didn't know when to stop. So I lost.
Mm.
I got second place.
Interesting story.
Wait, that's actually what happened?
No. Story.
Oh.
I mean, it was totally real, and you guys should totally listen.
You guys need to tell us if you guys hate the sounds of glass breaking.
Allie does. Oh gosh. I'm
So
gonna
does
say-
Karina. I mean, so does Banana.
That entrance looks horrible.
Mine sucks.
I'm just working on an entrance right now.
My helicopter sucks. I'm gonna lose.
I lost my hair. But there was like a bug crawling up my eye.
Oh no, there's a bug! It looks like my hair!
Shut up.
Shut up.
Oh no!
Oh no!
I just broke the beautiful glass.
Boom, 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 boom,
I'm getting more decoration in it.
Hey, bununu!
I have one
You
question.
like my bununu?
Eh.
Hey, bununu.
How to get that?
Is that supposed to be there? Guys, I'm so bad at building.
Natalie, look at mine. Mine sucks.
I'm still working on the entrance.
Of what?
Look at mine, Natalie. Mine sucks. My helicopter sucks.
What the heck? This is lagging.
I'm gonna
I can't look up, guys.
I'm gonna lose. I'm
I,
gonna
I
lose.
can't tap. Guys, whoa. Whoa. Lag. Guys, I have to leave really quick.
Okay.
I'm gonna win.
Cupcake will be.
No,
back in
you
a
can't
second.
build it.
Queen is building.
Yeah, because she's not in the contest.
There she is.
No, she's not.
I have to build a house in that one.
Mm.
Okay, Natalie's back in.
We're at about 5 minutes in, guys.
Actually, I know how to build a helicopter. I forgot. I'm gonna lose.
I'm supposed to build it.
No. You can build a
I
helicopter.
know. I'm not dumb.
Why did you say?
For fun.
Guess what, Natalie? What am I thinking of?
I don't care.
No.
Cows. They give us milk.
I'm actually thinking about my daughter.
You don't have one.
Yes, I do. It's called Cupcake.
I'm not your daughter.
Kidding. But I made you.
No, you really didn't.
Oh,
Yeah,
I
you did.
helped made you. I helped.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. Did I?
No.
Piece of milk.
Oh.
But she's one of like those crazy cakes
Mhm.
in a cupcake form. Where they have no milk in them.
What?
Eggs.
So she's what is it called?
Wacky cake. Cake.
Wacky cake.
Cupcake.
Oh, wacky cups.
Why does that look so good and why do the rest look so odd?
Oh, what? Mine sucks, Natalie. Natalie's gonna win.
Yeah, you keep saying that.
You can look at mine. Okay, I think I was.
About 3 minutes.
Wait, 3 minutes left.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if you guys can hear him whispering in the background. I need to win, I need to win, I need to win.
That's me.
I know. I said, I don't know if you guys hear him whispering in the background. I feel he's gonna win.
No, not. Great, guess what you are married to? Milk. Milk woman. Best one ever.
So I guess, guys, for now, in the comment section, you guys can just be saying who did better so far. And then next time, we will probably be finishing this up.
I'm not good at it. I'm not good.
We might just make another video right after this one. So.
Yeah. Now we're finishing it.
Oh my gosh.
You have 1 minute.
Just wait, Karina. I need to fix my charger. Stop building.
Okay, no.
No.
I'm just gonna move. Okay, there.
Ready, Natalie?
No.
Ow!
Are you there, Bill?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I see that.
Sucks.
Look at the front. Okay, look at the front.
I know. Sucks,
I'm
right?
right here. Alright, where are you?
Okay, go.
I'm gonna lose Karina. Karina, was that like a big crib? That?
No.
What is it? Which crib ever? Yeah, right. Oh god, this sucks. Natalie, look at mine and look at yours. Natalie's gonna win. No.
Look at mine so far compared to yours.
It's definitely big.
Everything I build is big.
I know. It's really small. Okay, in another episode, like not in this video, another episode, I'm gonna dare her to build a house a little bit small.
Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, shoot.
Why did you say, oh shoot?
I broke something. Dang it. I fell. Arriba. Bada
Okay,
Okay, bye.
I'm gonna lose.
No, I'm gonna lose now. Who's gonna lose?
I don't know.
Natalie.
Oh, guys, thumbs up.
Oh, dang.
Oh, can I just put one more thing?
Nope.
Dang.
Okay, so I'll show you guys what there's. Okay, so this is Milkman's helicopter.
You do know they can't see. Oh,
Yeah, now I show them.
okay.
Okay, let's go in it.
I just needed to put a seat down.
It's kind of hard. And yeah, kind of hard for me to fly into the right spot.
That worked for me.
That's because I couldn't level my feet.
No, I walked in perfectly.
No, I can't level my feet with the ground when I'm.
I've never done that before, actually.
I just needed to put a seat down like this.
Okay, so this is his, guys.
Okay, and this is Cupcakes. So is this the back or the front? And what did you do?
This is the front.
Okay, so what did you build?
That's it. You jerk.
I just don't know.
Yeah, it's
We told you.
a plane or a helicopter. It's a plane. Wait, is it?
Yes.
Oh,
You guys are jerks.
well, I don't know. Okay, you guys.
I thought that was the back, Natalie.
Everyone come see.
You guys are mean.
I'm just saying, I thought that was the back.
You guys are so mean.
I thought that was the back, though.
Guys,
Come see the house.
you need to tell me if you're confused too.
I am very
I
confused. Definitely.
So, if she would have gone a little smaller, she wouldn't have lost.
No.
We have another episode.
Yes. Jerks.
There we go.
You jerks.
So, are you done, Milkman?
No, not that way. Not that much. Done. Boom.
And here are our beds.
Okay. So we'll
Here's a
see.
crib.
We will.
And here's our bed.
We will see you guys later.
Okay, bye.
Please like and subscribe. We'll see you later. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Don't say that. Bye, guys. Like and subscribe. Don't forget. And if you can't subscribe, just like.